Hi guys, good morning. I am coming at you from the Great Rift Valley Lodge.
Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are, but I will find you. I will find you.
In Naivasha, and the place is absolutely beautiful. It's very quiet. I feel like whispering, but you can see the sun is shining. Oh my god, the place is so beautiful.
I've never been here before. I don't know the score, but I never wanted you more than I do tonight. Escape with me.
And I just want to give you a room tour. My room is right here behind me, so allow me to show you around, and I hope you enjoy.
It's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity? It keeps bringing me down.
So that's the room over there. There are many, so let's go in. Look at that view, beautiful. Which is my door? Is it this one? Yeah. Nope, I'm lost. I think it's here. Yeah, so this is how it's like when you come in. There's a mirror over there, but on my right hand side what we have is the bathroom. It's made of glass, really nice. And the toilet, of course, over there. Some towels, and this very beautiful light, and another one. The room is so well lit, and we have a sink, some bottles of water, shampoos and lotions, and some shower caps. And this, I think, is for some glasses, yes, and a nice mirror over there. So beautiful. I love this mirror, it's so huge. Yeah, so behind the door you have these. You can say, please clean my room, or please do not please do not disturb.
What am I supposed to do?
We got these lovely wardrobes. There's a safe in there, an extra blanket, and some robes. Yeah. Suitcase, clothes and everything, shoes, a and some girl stuff, handbag, lappy. Nice small little window. And on this side we have a small table. You can make some tea over there. Small chair, beautiful mirror, fireplace, iron box or iron. Nice decor. It's a small bed. Here we have a small round table and 2 seats and a zebra on the wall. And that's a very big patio window. Some curtains. And here is where you get the best view. So it's a small balcony. There's a seat and another one and a small table. You can just sit here and drink something or just enjoy the view. Look at the view. Woohoo! So nice and green. Some butterflies flying around. Some birds tweeting. So good.
I'm lonely here without you. All these days are passing by. Standing there with you, living your life. I'm broken here alone. Where did I go wrong? Living a hollow life. I'm living a hollow life.
And that's the lake over there.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head, I'm sorry for what I did. Wish I could have it unsaid. Just make it right instead of treating me like I'm dead. Is it too late to... I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it.